We are finally seeing the anticipated altcoin pump in the markets. We're not quite yet in a heavy alt season, but we are seeing altcoins mid-caps start to fly once again here in the crypto markets. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we're checking out Theta network as well as a few other juicy things in the market. So let's have a little look as Bitcoin flies to 36.8k at the moment. Many alts are looking good. The market cap of crypto is now $1.38 trillion, which is absolutely wild. We are seeing many rank 50 to 100 tokens, kind of medium cap coins, fly once again. So let's have a little look, because people that have been holding since the bear market right now, you're probably feeling quite rewarded. We can see Bitcoin season, alt season index, still sitting very much around 30. So we're not actually in an alt season yet. The last time we were in a true alt season was actually in 2022 when we had multiple crazy alt seasons. So right now alts are still potentially sleeping giants, and Theta network, even though despite this little pump right here, could still be a sleeping giant because it did once upon a time have a market capital of beyond $10 billion. Anyhow, we can see Theta over the last week has pumped from 0.75 to $0.93. The good thing about this token is 100% of the supply is already circulating at 1 billion total circulation. So that makes me bullish, because if you have 10% in supply and 90% gets unlocked, it's going to really have a negative effect on the price. So let's have a look. $927 million market capitalization. Theta. Right here, for those that don't know, Theta is the leading purpose-built blockchain for video, media, and also entertainment. This is the website right here, just so you also know how that one there looks. It says Web3 blockchain infrastructure for video, media, and entertainment. That is their hook. That's their vision and mission statement. So looking at the price of Theta right now, you can really identify that 0.583 just look like a glorious undervaluation zone right over here. So this was an area where you could have accumulated multiple times down at $0.56. Now, if we move to the weekly time frame, we can use our RSI again to find these areas of undersold and overbought kind of territories and oversold territories. So at the moment, three consecutive bullish looking candles here. We've actually got 4 green ones, but 3 consecutive very bullish looking candles right there for Theta network. So moving over here, we can see we are seeing an absolute uptrend for this token. How sustainable is this particular pump is the question we ask. If we're correct, you're looking at 0.7 cents here. It is overbought on this daily relative strength index. So that can also be a bit of a barometer to the next, sort of pathway, the next move. We're sitting at 87 on the daily RSI. I guess the 4-hour RSI is still looking pretty hot as well. 78 on the 4-hour. And if we look at the Bollinger Bands, the close here of the Bollinger Band on the daily, you can see we are looking pretty overextended and euphoric. Now, the next major target for me is going to be at $1.29. So it's quite a long position here for Theta, but you can see these previous resistances. Whilst Theta does like to pump impulsively and then correct in waves like we see here, it does look like a realistic target could actually be around the $1.16 level. Should we get a bit of continuation from this particular region, we do have a lot of support written in along this trend line here at $0.85 as well. So it's really hard to say what's going to happen overall. The markets are just bullish at the moment. I think looking forward 5 years ahead is what's also important when you do look at these kind of things. So obviously in 2021, this is where Theta had its huge market capitalization of over $10 billion. So if we were to look at Theta returning or getting to, say a 20 plus billion dollar environment, you'd be looking at target in the 1.618 and 2.618 Fibonacci price region. So we're looking at targets around here, bringing to a total of $25 to $40 in overall valuation. Remember guys, this is not financial advice, but this is a speculation I'm looking at, because here you've got the extreme greed where the retail is FOMOing in, and down here you have the sort of the smart money territory, the extreme fear. And then, of course, you're going to get your next wave, which takes you to the top. So this could be where we start seeing the major bull run, the tip of the iceberg, the peak of euphoria overextension phase after Bitcoin has also done its crazy things as well. So this is like a 2025 onwards kind of price target up there overall. Do I think it can happen? Absolutely. Do I think it'll happen soon? Probably not. This could easily also be a small short-term pump in the crypto markets. You know, it's hard to say if it'll be fully sustained. It is very much excitement around the ETFs. And of course, just people getting more bullish. I mean, your barber's probably talking about Bitcoin again. People in coffee shops. Have you seen that Bitcoin? Oh, have you got any Bitcoin? Do you do crypto? So you're going to get all this crap again. You're going to hear it everywhere. Oh, have you seen Bitcoin? Yeah, I saw it last year in the bear market when it was $15,000. Thanks, bro. That's what I would be like. I mean, it's just crazy what the emotions do in these markets. Now, another opportunity in the markets surrounding Bitcoin, and whilst Bitcoin is pumping exponentially, Bitcoin ETF, a new token and pre-sale ICO, which is basically surrounding the Bitcoin ETF environment. So this is super cool. One Bitcoin ETF token equals $0.005. It's a $5 million raise target that they're looking for. In 1 day, 22 hours, the price of this token will go up slightly. So if you want to lock in the lower price, I've got a link down below. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. They have lucrative staking rewards. You can see 1,829% per annum right there, with 16.5 million of their tokens being locked in. A 2 billion total supply, and there are 10 phases in the pre-sale, so the price does go up accordingly. And I believe the last buy-in price is something like 0.0679 or something, so that's 30% on paper gains. A little scan through the website does look pretty cool. It's all about the Bitcoin ETF. So every time a real world Bitcoin ETF gets approved, they're going to make ecosystem changes which will benefit holders. It could be things like reducing the burn tax, or reducing sell tax rather, or increasing the amount that gets burned in terms of the supply. So it can be small rewards. So you can see here, for example, transaction tax reduced from 4% to 3%. So small things that will happen for the pre-sale, the community, as more ETFs do get released. Moving onwards, we have a few trades that I've got open at the moment. I've got a bunch of open orders waiting to get filled on MEXC. So if you want to follow this big trading journey, I am doing something pretty crazy at the moment. I'm doing a flip. I'm trying to flip 160k of my friend's money. That's right, my crypto whale friend sent me 160k. And we are going to try and flip this into $1 million. We started at $151,000. So let's see if we can see the positive trajectory here in the markets. And if you want to also take advantage of the upcoming volatility, make sure to sign up to MEXC. I've got a link down below, and you may be eligible for some big rewards upon depositing. Use my link, of course, and also unlock over 600 trading signals per month by becoming a patron. Only 4 crypto legend packages remain. This is the one that will give you the 600 trading signals roughly per month. So I would advise that one if you are really in the markets 24/7, always looking for signals like the ones that you can see basically on screen right here, where we got Hiraya, we've got Shirus, technical analyst, we've got Domino, we've got all these analysts that will basically provide you insights, the calls, the entries, the profit zones, and all that juicy stuff. So thanks for watching this video. See you soon. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.